everyone, Dev Walker here, and welcome back to my channel. Give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy travel, lifestyle, and fashion videos. I am back with another video. Today I am unboxing and reviewing my brand new Jacquemus Le Chiquito Moyen bag. I just got it on sale. It came in like literally 2 days ago. Now, if you watch my previous video about my 2025 luxury wish list, I actually mentioned that I did not purchase any designer bags in 2024. So in 2025, I said, I'm gonna buy myself a bag, and here we are, brand new into the new year. And I got a bag, so let's open her up. I got this bag from Essence. It was on sale. Great price, y'all. I got her for $368, and it retails for $900. So you do that math. That is more than 50% off. So let's open her up. And here it is. Wait, let me, a little backlit. Might have to move it over here or something. All right, there it is. It's a really nice white color. I was in desperate need of a white luxury bag because I did sell my previous bag that was by Balenciaga. But we won't talk about that. So I obviously sold that bag for obvious reasons. You know, I was never attached to the brand that much, and I just wanted a new white bag. So anyway, I got this Jacquemus Le Chiquito Moyen bag. It has this one top handle strap, which I think is really cute in front. You do see Jacquemus on the bottom right corner of the bag. The bag in the back is just plain. Now she opens up like so, and that it has like a magnet enclosure. It does come with a strap, a crossbody strap that I guess you can just put on either sides here, and you can obviously carry it as a top handle, which I love. That is the inside of the bag. This is I think it's in just an authenticity card. Yeah, this is in Jacquemus authenticity card. It says Le Chiquito Moyen. You should be able to see that. And this is what she looks like. Let me bring you in a bit closer so we can get into these details. Okay, so now I brought you in closer. Let's get a much better view of this bag. This is white leather. This top handle is actually pretty sturdy. And if you open it up, that's a closer look at the inside of the bag. Now, the width of this bag is only about 7 inches, so it doesn't fit as much as I thought it would. I'm going to show you what fits in it in a second, but let's get the crossbody strap open and see how long it is. Here is the crossbody straps. If you see on the buckles, it does say Jacquemus on both of them, so I really like that detail. It does have an adjustable strap. It kind of adjusts like a belt, which is actually great for someone like me because I have larger breasts. So sometimes the bags will literally just sit right under them, and I absolutely hate that. So I'll stick the strap on, and let's see what she looks like as a shoulder bag when I elongate it. Let's see. You gotta tussle with this a little bit. Okay, y'all, I just adjusted the strap, and here is where the bag stops on me. I am 5'5" for reference, so don't mind my outfit. I'm literally in my house clothes. So the bag does stop like below my lower waist and just above my hip. This is the longest that the strap goes. I have it on the last buckle, and as a crossbody, I don't really know how that's gonna work, but let's see. And this is her as a crossbody. I probably wouldn't wear it like this because I don't like, see what I was talking about with like having like larger breasts? The bag is literally like sitting on my boob and it looks weird. So I will more than likely just wear this either as a shoulder bag, like so, or just a top handle like this. Now, the reason why I ended up purchasing this bag, if you watched my recent best and worst luxury purchases of 2024, in the worst purchases, I actually included the gold Jacquemus Le Chiquito earrings because I didn't have a Jacquemus bag. So now I have a Jacquemus bag, so now I can actually wear my earrings, y'all. So let me pull those earrings out. I actually do have them. And let's just see how they go together. Here are the Jacquemus earrings. I love these so much. They are so cute and fun. So I'm going to pop these in real fast and show y'all how they pair. Let's get that second one in. They are so cute. And look. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. All right. Now I'm liking the bag a lot more because it matches my earrings. So far so good. Now let's put it to the real test and let's see what fits inside of here. So first things first, I never leave the house without my credit cards and ID. This is my Saint Laurent card holder. That fits in there perfectly. Still got some room in there, so let's see what else we can put. This is my lip gloss. This is Fenty Beauty in the shade Hot Chocolate. That's what I'm wearing today. Okay. Matte lip liner, Chestnut. Let's see if that fits. Okay. These are my house keys. So far, we got some. So far, all right. Closing so far. Now the real test. I don't know. I honestly don't know if my phone is going to be able to fit in here, y'all. Let's. Oof. Oh no, wait, hold on. I might have to maneuver a little bit. Wait. Let's see. So if I stick it, all right, so it's definitely not going straight in, like straight across. So I would have to do like a diagonal type situation, which is kind of annoying because this bag is not cheap. Hold on. Now I got to rearrange and play Tetris, y'all. This is crazy. Hold on. All right. All right. Oof. Okay. All right. We got the phone in, and that's how it looks with my iPhone in there. That is a iPhone 14 Pro. All right. And then we just stuck the card holder in there. Let's hope she closes. Wait, did we close her? Can we close her? Come on. No, it don't close. Wait. See, stuff like this make me not want to keep stuff. But this is how you know this video is organic, because I'm not cutting this. All right. You heard me tussling. So we did get the phone to fit, but to be honest with you, it's still like bulging on the side because I got the phone going diagonally. And for me, that's a turn off. I get it. All bags are not going to fit phones, but I don't know. I'm just unsure now if I should keep her, because I like bags with some sort of like utility purpose, and I really prefer all of my bags to fit my phone in it. All of mine do, but I don't know. But she is cute. She's adorable. You see she's giving with the earrings, so I don't know. What do y'all think I should do? Should we keep her, toss her? I don't want the bigger version because that just looks doofy. I'll pop in a picture right here. It's not, I mean, if you like it, but I just think it's just way too big for the look that I'm going for. And that concludes the unboxing and review of my brand new Jacquemus Le Chiquito Moyen bag. Once again, let me know if you like this bag. Let me know if you actually have this bag and how has it held up for you if you have this bag on your list. Again, I will link it down below, as well as some other Jacquemus bags on sale at Shopbop and Essence. I'm still a bit unsure, but I do have about 28 days before I decide to send her back for a refund, or should I add her to the collection. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.